Looking for reliable straps that can hold down your gear without fail? These stainless steel eye straps deliver exactly that: strength, durability, and a polished finish that stands out. Whether you're securing items on your boat or organizing things at home, these straps offer a dependable solution you can count on. I've tried several straps before, but none matched the quality of these. Unlike other products that claim to be stainless steel but look dull or flimsy, these straps shine with a bright, polished sheen. The moment you hold them, you feel the solid craftsmanship. They're rigid and sturdy, built to last. Plus, their smooth edges mean no risk of snagging your clothes, ropes, or fishing lines, something that really matters when you're out on the water or handling cargo. What really impressed me was how versatile these straps are. They come as a set of 4, making it easy to secure multiple items or create custom tie-downs wherever you need them. For anyone who values both form and function, these straps hit the mark. If you want durable, high-quality stainless steel eye straps that don't compromise on appearance or performance, these are worth a look. If that's you, someone who needs tough, reliable straps for boating or household use, consider giving these a try. They combine solid construction with a sleek finish, making them a smart addition to your gear. Try them when you're ready, and see how they hold up to your toughest tasks.